Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy stock using a Fidelity Active Trader Pro. The first thing I want you to do is come here, click on Trade and Orders, and click on this icon as well to trade. And then you enter your symbol, okay? You can choose from the drop-in as well. You just type it in, choose your action, and enter the quantity, order type. So it's limit, this one. Let's do action first. Let's do buy. Okay, quantity, you can enter that. Order type, let's say limit, okay, and we'll limit there right there. Now this one will do good till canceled. Conditions, you can choose anything you want. Let's say none or do not reduce, and then you place the order, okay. And if you get this or error, it's okay. This one basically need a minimum net worth of $2,000 to do margin and short sell orders, so that's fine. Just go ahead and review it, change it to meet the requirement, okay. Okay, and just purchase it. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.